Story Magical Fairy. Some 100 years ago, in heaven, God was angry with an angel. He sent her down on earth to repent for her sins. Down on earth, the angel first went to a temple of God. She found her assistant resting near a tree. "Wake up," said the angel to her assistant. "We have lots of work on earth." Both of them went here and there to learn more about the people. A severe epidemic had gripped the city. People were dying every day in very large numbers. As they went further, they reached a lonely mansion. The angel peeped inside a window. She saw the king and the queen worried, sad, and discussing about how they would unable to protect their land and its people from the epidemic. At such time, the fairy made her presence felt. The king and the queen were shocked to see her. She told them that she will appoint her assistant to look after the city. He will see to it that the people are saved from the epidemic. However, she also said that overnight it is not possible to completely cure. So, till some time, she promised that there will not be more than one death in a day due to the epidemic. The king and queen were very happy. The king and the queen were eagerly waiting to tell the people that they will be saved from the epidemic by the angel. The next day, the king was shocked and surprised to find 100 people dead. The king was angry. He called the fairy. Both were puzzled. The fairy inquired as to what was the matter. Later that evening, the fairy told the king, "Oh good king, only one man died in your city today because of epidemic. Remaining 99 died out of fear." Fear is the main killer of all diseases. Fear stops us from growth and success. Don't fear. Work without fear. Success will be easy. Have a great time. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.